Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying immediate basics so we can act fast. Check volume, mute switch, and do not disturb, then lower and raise volume to confirm response. Once done, restart the phone to clear temporary software locks and open the default ringtone and a video to test sound output. If still silent, plug wired headphones and play audio. That isolates the speaker versus software. Make sure to inspect the speaker grill for visible debris, so the next step is informed. You now target software causes. Go to Settings and confirm app permissions for microphone and media, revoke and regrant to reset handles. Once done, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app blocks audio. If sound returns, uninstall the last installed or updated apps. Make sure to update the operating system and any manufacturer audio drivers because patches fix driver regressions. Finally, clear cache for media apps and restart to see if the sound resumes. You finish with hardware isolation and fallback steps. Power off, use a soft brush or compressed air to gently clean the speaker grill, then power on and test. Once done, check Bluetooth and unpair any devices because audio may route externally. Toggle Bluetooth off to force the phone speaker. If software steps failed, back up data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. If silence persists after reset, seek professional repair. A damaged speaker or loose connector is likely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.